mehmonxonaga. Amerikalik mehmonlarimiz kelishyapti. Hozir bitta-bittadan hammalarning so'zlari bor ekan, inglizchada birinchi aytishadi. Men keyin bitta-bittadan tarjima qilaman har bittalarini, qo'ldan kelgancha. Birinchi Amerikaning Florida shtatidan Tim Ernest chaqiramiz. Tim Doniyor bilan yaxshi do'st.
I'll keep it brief to spare Jim. Donnie, a few years ago, you were the first to host me here when I came for Jim's wedding.
Bir necha yillar oldin Doniyor men O'zbekistonga kelganda meni kutib olgan birinchi kishisan eding va sen oilam bilan hammani meni kutib olgan eding.
And I'll always be grateful for the way you welcomed me into your home, introduced me to Uzbek culture, and shared your family with me.
Va har doim mana shuning uchun minnatdor bo'lib qolaman. Sen mana o'zing oilangga olib kelganing uchun, O'zbekiston madaniyatiga meni tanishtirganing uchun va oilang qanchalik menga mehribon bo'lgani uchun har doim xursand qolaman.
Coming back here for your wedding is a real honor, especially since the last trip probably gave me enough stories to last a lifetime.
Bu yerga yana qaytadan tashrif buyurishim ayniqsa sen to'y uchun buncha katta faxr. Ayniqsa chunki oxirgi marta kelganimda juda katta yaxshi taassurot bilan ketgandim.
I've always admired your character and the way you stand for what you believe, and I know that you will carry that into a strong and loving marriage.
Har doim seni qanchalik o'zingni fikrlaringni qattiq turishini yaxshi ko'raman va bilamanki bu bunaqa yaxshi hissiyotlar seni kelayotgan oilangga ham o'tadi va hammani baxtli bo'lasizlar.
It means a lot to be here and celebrate this day with you. I wish you and your family many years of health, love, and happiness.
Bu yerda hamma bilan birga turishdan juda ham xursandman va senga va oilangga kelajakda baxt, har doim xursandchilik tilab qolaman.